Okay, hi friends. So last time we discussed what is domain, what is range, and what is codomain. But I think you most of if you don't understand what is domain, range, and codomain, I'll take an example today and it'll make you understand. Okay. So suppose I have a set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what I am asking, I have we have defined a relation from A to A. So A and I have to define a relation from A to A, right? So I have to take a Cartesian order pair x y such that my relation should be like this: y equal to x plus 1. So I have to create a relation, okay, from this set. Okay, how will create? So y elements, this is x elements, okay. So y elements is x plus 1. So this is suppose x and this is my y, right? Relation is always order pair, right? From one element from here to one element from here, will create a relation. So how will write y equal to x plus 1. So if x equal to 1, then what is y? 1 plus 1 is 2. So my element is, so here also I have to create a relation, right? 1 3 4 5 6, A to A. I have to create a relation from A to A. So A to A. So only these 6 elements are there. But how will create a relation? So these are elements, here also same elements, here also same. I have to create a relation such that y equal to x plus 1. So if y, this y is x plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So there is a relation. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 2 is related to 3. 3 is related to 4 because 4 is equal to 3 plus 1. 5 equal to 4 plus 1. 6 equal to 5 plus 1. So this is my relation, right? Here this 1 is not related to anybody, because if there is a 0 then this 1 is related, right? Because 0 plus 1 is 1. Hope you understood this. This is very important concept, right? So this is my arrow diagram. I am saying depict a relation. I have depicted a relation with using arrow diagram of the relation. Now we will calculate, write down the domain, codomain and range. Okay, very easy. What is domain? Set of first elements of an order pair. First elements, right? What are the first elements? First elements is very easy. So domain is, first elements is very easy. Domain is our 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in a relation, so this is my relation, right? This is my relation, this is my relation. So in this relation all the first elements are domain. 1 to 6 is not in my domain because 6 is not related to anything, right? So domain is 1 2 3 4 5, right? So what is range? Range is all elements in a relation of second elements. So 1 is not related to anything on first, right? So second set, what are the elements? 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these are my in my range because all those elements have a relation with the first element, right? So this is range. And what is codomain? Codomain is very simple. Whole B set, whole second set is called codomain. So codomain is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Codomain is whole set, okay? But range is those elements which have a corresponding relation with the first set. And domain, all those elements which are having a relation with the second element. But 6 is not related to anything. So 6 is not in my domain. Remember, 6 is not in my domain. 6 is not in my domain. Remember, this 6 is not part of the domain. 6 is not part of the domain. Okay? And similarly 1 is not part of range. You understood? Because they're not part of the relation. But 1 is part of the codomain. So 1 is part of that codomain because codomain is the whole set. Range you remember, domain you remember, and codomain. Hope you understood this. Okay? So thank you.